Hey there, I'm Pratish Karki from grade 5 Seti, and today we are going to learn about 2 cool ways of separating things by the methods of sedimentation and decantation. Imagine you have this glass of muddy water and you want to make it clean. That's where sedimentation comes in. First, you pour the muddy water into another container. And let it sit quietly for a while. See what's happening. The heavier mud particles are shrinking to the bottom of the container. That's sedimentation. And now you pour the cleaner water from the top to another container. Look at that! You have separated the cleaner water from the mud. That's decantation. Sedimentation is when the heavier particles shrink to the bottom, and decantation is when you carefully pour the cleaner water to another container. You pour the cleaner water to another container. That's it. You have learned about sedimentation and decantation, 2 awesome ways of separating things. Have fun trying it out. If you want to learn more and continue with our IWS learning journeys, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. See you in the next one.